Today in Ladakh, I don't know whether it's becoming summer or whether it's becoming winter because it's very cold and it snowed in the mountains. Ladakh sa tiling tangmorakle. Ladakh sa yotkangina wana tukisu teno. Tangmorak tenerji kunang katans to namtsa pikorte duk. Sombasan patik chamirak. Yar bor gun la sontena kish gunni yar la sontena zikr bale. Inang manali lamne besarte uti duk. Zojirane déjà me besarte no. No. Tenechi changma gun mun poson sarte duk inang mosan tarung tangmorakle. It's still quite cold. Tarung sojar gun goshera. Tarung zuk. Ni tanzane kambal tumone gun gostuk ju. Inang taji I think it's better to be in a cold climate than to be in a hot climate, personally speaking. Obviously people are different and our preferences are different, but I think mainly for dharma practice, meditation and retreats, cold climate is always best, because when you feel cold you can add layers. You can have a nice heater, you can have a nice fireplace, you can have a nice heater, you can have a nice fireplace, and or you can be comfortable. But what to do when it's hot? You can't peel your skin. You can't live in a swimming pool. You can't refrigerate your house. Yeah, you can use air conditioning, but it's quite expensive and not very good for the environment. So cold climate is quite suited for retreats and meditation. I guess maybe that's why, all the great yogis of the past, whenever they wanted to do some retreat, they always went to the mountain, to the top of the mountains where the climate is cold and where the air is fresh. There's fresh oxygen, because the pollution remains at a lower altitude, and at a high altitude the air is cleaner. So they venture to the higher altitude and do retreat and meditations. Tenichi taji satpa yuzani ko chichini mana tangmo yuzani bogar tang saram chu dungin chino khale atala dasla rukun la teni boshkit pon khole kashigan rukun la tesam demo sorti miruk las pokaj rukun chachina chat yokorang tanga cha desistan teni gyagara charuk mana o teni tesan rukun la gyagara chapik tonmo no khshkit pon no matamo metpa innang chik mara zoshina rukun la tas morgi busra khole Pilo tangmo ka transport mana ka transport tangmo le tene nanko ga bogaji tanse shinji tanse bogaji tanse te jumo chu dus pale tene chusko tums pa chakan te tums pa tene nangme gunyam produks pa family gunyam produks pa sheska gunyam produks pa tene ngit tangzan kambal tumo gon tengi tans pa mane kora hare ganta chuchu ngi ngit tans pa mane kazo ngit song mane patang sa chimane tarung mane kora sanjing mo song basang rukun moshkit ponokle tene dangdere chita facilities mo poet pasan chance ka miru pole nani lo soshino mane korang talurgun la light mane mashia loosely light is electricity ma gala du tene heating system ma gala yote nongju tena sosa gadi gun gala teno gadi gun korang ekdam chideshin gadi gun chideshin ekdam korang dulches chigjik mishikches tene chik chalo thanglo changma yochishik maizuk demoino chang dandeles kanal miru pale man ma zorjina te kanal mon poet pasan migun kuncha tene ekdam tene lojo astaste shurte no pale yeah just so let's continue with Shantideva's teachings and with the stanzas and again we're reaching some stanzas, which are easy to understand, easy to grasp. In between, when we reach the Nayayikas, and when we reached I forgot the name, Sharvaka, I think was it. So when we reached those parts, it was a little bit difficult to understand, because then you have to know about a certain school of thought. But now again, we have reached the kind of stanzas which are more applicable to our daily lives, which are more practical to ourselves, So these stanzas are more pleasant, I guess. Shantideva stanzas. Of course, like I say always, you should memorize all the teachings, all the stanzas, and use it as guide in your life. Always remembering the teachings, and it'll help you greatly in your life to guide you towards enlightenment. That's what the teachings are for. That's what Bodhicharya Avatara is for. It's called Bodhicharya Avatara. Yeah, entering the conduct of a bodhisattva. Bodhisattva is someone who has taken a vow to achieve enlightenment for the sake of all sentient beings, and somebody who is venturing, who is walking the path of Buddha. So that person, that bodhisattva should know how to behave, and Shantideva's Bodhicharya Avatara is a manual on how to behave properly, physically, mentally, and verbally, body, speech, and mind, how to behave properly as a bodhisattva on the path to enlightenment. Junjuvi statsigun tsapika ma sukshik chidichin korang last lamozen tamano teina chidichin tsapik ngata jaktung panchi sukshik de koreka lepse tukere deja shina tene ngata tsapik chik tene mute changchen badang dashiri gishki uzegan teka zelebachina tene kungan dashiri gishki uzegan chi o rangshiki tembe chupkanjik o ya tene chik takpayin kanjik mana o ya tene chik gyushkin jana jam mastem kanjik inang yul zinzane yang chik korang zinyan kanjik mana 대숙시 있을 때 코레를 받잖아요. 미 가시가 잡이잡이야. 가시기 메시지 레바. 오토마니 그런 조직은 부가스 포인트도 되네시 경험에 계속다 디파사스 사카니저스 초스포츠비 하고 지스 가스 포인트도 다지 되네 초스포 하고 지스 베니 스몰람 답자간 미 가시 립도 발에 되뚝세 좀 시에는 벌벌에 잡이잡이 가스 포인트 벌벌에 잡이잡이 라모치네. 당니 주간 농진라 미랑 건 되네 가시니 다 조세 스콜라 규스도 가시가 되네 조세 스콜라 규스 메탄 군라니 되네 조세 컨셉 망포지 돈딱 망포지 하고 고시스 각진 모노 때문에 하고 지는 knowledge 보마다 빌드 차지는 되게 스팅마양 비숙식 조세는 걸려봤잖아. 오 때동다 보마 규수지 간소는 좀나 스페셜 나가다 다서 지리다 직진 조리가 간소시 있었다는 직진 조리가 지랍들은 갔다 하고 지식 되게 스페셜 나가다 오 직경이 좀 박지시 송고시는 어제가는 때는 뭐잡 하고 지식 때문에 경이 좀 받지노 스팅하다 딕셔너리를 스타고 스페셜 스타고 손바상 꾸려가다 knowledge 부 빌드 좀 볼래. 대비 발발에 잡히가다 passage 가시 각스불 랩사네. 얘는 정말 이주와인 이속 좀 맞아 지리진. 얘는 정말 독감 좀 맞아 될래. 또 심바파 맞아. 지에서는 즉 정말마다 이름 시사만 그래. 소. 예죠. 단단들이야. 이속 그냥 몽바일라 cyclone chimoji lepches no bachilo nazgirjne jidonjilo bale cyclonic lumsup chimoji lepchana lo tenta de dandre smalamut migun lazuk not mion chespia noshkel mion chespia gemse tamanduk chisma jirichen muduk bale mane koran chichen il demo daino gemse tamale amam produkches einang jigyam tsunami zerganzane yang cyclone yongzane chulog yongzane mane koran jirichen muduk bale shona karashen shorsa meteno makas poitituk teni jagama tingting chenmonani teni jaga turmuji gashawus jaga turmo teni mane kono tingting chenmon jaga turmo lepchesa banji kurchese nokle teni chikumane evacuation jano pale nanmane teni chama bing 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 sistem tal lepki du thori lebogos jano teni kangpa pangsa chawus ta ji kurchi mikur mane teni nachchemo itituk sombason teni miesmolamin the cyclone boyons teni mi mangpujiga nisarga cyclone Nisarga loyo, Nisarga hangene, Nachidoshi, Oya, Cyclone Nisarga Zikanbe, then Noskal Mampo Mionchesama, Nismona Miochenia. I think now again there's gonna be a catastrophe heading towards Mumbai, in the form of a cyclone called Nisarga, and it's just, it's my prayer that it won't cause too much damage and that there will be minimal loss of life, or if possible, no loss of life at all, And I was just explaining that because I lived by the seaside and I like the sea, I like the ocean, though I prefer the mountain because it feels safer. The ocean is very scary. When I first went to the ocean, I was quite scary, I think it was in Canada. It was in Halifax, indeed, actually. And I took a boat with some of my sponsors, very kind sponsors, and we ventured in the boat, like 2 hours, leaving the coastline. We went to see some whales. And I'd never seen a whale. I'd never seen an ocean, It was just like a simple Ladakhi guy who went to the west. And when I was in England, I never got time to go to the seaside. I was too busy studying and, working. Never got the chance. So it was only in Canada, I think 10 years ago, that first time I saw the ocean. And it just literally blew my mind, And then when you're going in the boat, leaving the coastline, you feel so scared. You feel like, are you sure this is safe, And then you're looking back and the coastline becomes smaller and smaller and you're going deep into the ocean. And then when you reach the, the currents and then the boat starts jumping, then you feel like nauseous, it's so scary. And then I saw the whale. It was very nice. So I remember exactly how I felt when I first saw the ocean. And, it's nice, but also I think it's quite dangerous, when there's a tsunami, when there's a cyclone. So it's just my prayer that this cyclone, particular one in Mumbai, will not cause much destruction, and I hope it will not cause any loss of life at all. Then go my game so chazane man ko na shanti jigs pale. Desana are pichilo Canada in pinle. Lord chu so shingalla. Then game suna go chindak gallery yut pen then ko mani ta game suna chen lo kyoram. Hale izukshita la das pejan dang jing no pale. Chigala le tan England la yut zane chide chin. Dem shanga game su tama chachi masong le mani chachi masong England la game su yut game su tama chachi masong last chen tene lobjong chen 12%. Then Lord chu so shingalla Canada chazan te tsebo ko ma game su thongle. Then gamsu segan thai gamsu segan mo jurishan mo dukle then kistina ko dulpen then sapang se sonte kanta chikni shik gamsu no ko sonte no te semjan chin mo te whales se gamsu sta chin lo te wa ngata chik naksha ge bachin no tiros pale mane thongma she sano then son tin le bacha gome ga ta chang cham dukle so jesen te ka chute ma gyu ano then tsapi philo bi achene te churan de gyu pa te wa current se pale current Latas Bakashi Dasate go Chazane, Lochoguna Chazane, what Chuna Machawa, Karantiano, Bisli Karaniano is the Mono Hele, Hajinurti Duba, Karantiano, walk Karantiano, the current Karan of Zerkambo, Karans and Chi Shubu system, the Tim Shupu, Chiman is Shante Gux Passam, Chuluyansos, two cases for current system of money, Yamatan Bisli Karanton Jatka, Charsu Chalich and Walch and Karan was the Mono Hele. Tene gamsuna son tene mane koran stux mane gantani social non ko son mane tene jigs tene jupeka wheels kan semshin chin moton tene malde mo nakshar gaps tene losu yochen mane kamsan sonle tezana jig tsorwa yon ba gamso zekan samji chin moduk tene samji jigri chan duk zekan bo demon no jigri chan duk justen bayale tene da sai Mumbai yon kani lungsuk chen mo cyclone bo ni sarga zekan be nge joyut noskal nyun kongches tene mi suchik mi tongches mi nasemshin son tene ta butzigun ta shang de parik butziga susten le inanta mi gun son ezuk mi nasemshin gun zamnyan nang shok nyun chachesenga ni esmona mi justen yale laozun chang jigri mi keble ata ekane badal ji patashana jiri no mane sangul ji yona ata jiri no mane demane ata mi temshi jigri mi tenokle jagama safe no hala la dazmas java safe no lakmo no demo no silmo no zumam tezam yomano teniji ata saturma dukan sumbasan dasai coronavirus kane zumo indo yang zumo jenma gona ati zuspo chunzene korang ngati loa lungs ngati loa gun chimo shanti sumbasan zumogun tezam jerting mirukle kadarta chogoshin no ina ngata chik zume tezam shishkan kamte miruk kazam shik teni yul jenma gun mi ashkan kamchis chimana ngati lung capacity shanti utukle la das be immune system bo shanti utukle ale sapik mata mi shanti jopa intuk yaju so let's start with stanza number 41 tene izupochilo chilo no ya Nisarga passed Mumbai without much damage as of now. Thank you for the update. Tene noshkel mo pomachos lo glolum supeyale simbatat ya juta tene sholoka number jipshi jashit pa inokju yupala so unkulte kalden pemba latrona teang shedang kibebe nina shedang la toji loyale tai to tak bo justana tene tanga tanji shu ta special na ngaran 지금 rum식 샷다나 춘전가 곰페는 ku가 되네 롭정 주스는 곰페는 거 롭정 주자니 여러분 대장이 주도 주스빈 되니 gergan 마 가진치 모인 오 gergan 간디치 뭐 마셔 저걸 곰페 되니 gergan 마 가진치 모인 춘전인 독시스 롭정 땅스 되니 지 지디신 코란 gergan가 슈출람상 보주치스 랍스 마나 gergan이 제스가 독시스 판테 이나 길량 아랑아랑 경포송 버성 길레시 진압만 붙업시 살래 길레 진압만 붙업시 송바상 대전에가 템바 이 다사 쇼로가나 스tunte 아리 퍼스널 마리 이래 이죽식 좀 커넥션 뭐야 대전에 때는 길레 울tum자네 게나 쇼초든래 소 길레 쇼초든다 근데 길레 울tum간에 저스팅에 쇼초든래 다때 죽식 못 되는 거야 다 스페셜나 아이두락 춘전에 길레 울tum자네 베르가냐 동전에 점지가 나왔던 이게나 점지 쇼초스 다다서 때는 테니스티가 너 공파더니 준죽 티잔이 되니 이스타잔이 되는 아직 삼바잡이 코리아리 이 직접 베저스트 이슈로가 되니 돈 타포치자는 육발아서 콜때 갈덴 펜발라 존나 자나 알레 대한 시당 기비be 니나 시당로 동안나 되니 마타 주무 경관부 수이노 뎀베 주무 경관 무콜보 무스포 마타 직 뎀베 코랑 주무 경관부 수노 미노케 베르가노 마타 뎀나 자 코나 베르게스 마타 고가 포칸이 제스 마타 노파 용스테노 코마나 마타 주무 용스테노 폴레 다 베르가 쇼초고슬레 베르가 쇼초나 마디키 마나 베르가 쇼초나 마디 제자나 베르가오 테니 미 쿠르테노 마나 베르가 쇼초나 디가 마나 베르가오 미 쿠르테노 제나 가데 펜발라토나 테니 베르가 쇼마초 까오 뎀비 코랑 마타 주무타 유팔라스 무콜테 뎀비 코랑 마타 주무타 tewa ngata shuchu goshis inokte tewa shoma chwa kalden phemba la chona teni berga tangkan bonga ta shochona teang shedang kibepe kazuga berga oketena miji ki school teno so shinse da berga shida mirukte mi dorji udukle hale mi dorji uduk oh ya songa sang 지리chen 이 berga oketena ngata chalagji ketena tewa ngata miji ga aldungadna mil dunkan bejaste ngata 이 berga 포칸 베제스 마타 주무 용스는 빨래 베르가 이 도지 쪽스 잘라 포슈처는 마디키 마나 제스는 고 정왕 메테노래 다쇼 갈데 페발라 촌나 쇼 때는 갈데스 베르가 땅간 봉아탄 쪼고시스나 때용 마디가노래 미용 마디가노 제스나 대양 시당 기베페 미나 시당라 추직 콩 때는 스쿨간보 가주가 베르가오 미비 스쿨스 때나 쪽스 미왕 쇼 스쿨 때노 빨래 미나 시당라 추직 할래 때는 마타 쇼쇼 쪼고스 빨래 다 쇼앙 쇼초세 마딕 마나 테우세스테 노파 베르가 쇼초세 마딕 베르가 스쿨칸보 미노 오다 지 미야 쇼초고사 노제나 테오 마딕 kaltes tena logic po tena ngata tene gimsan po kaltes ngata tene zumadna tene mis kulkan buchi no zena sho nokle tene ngata sho chogos sho sujele nga sho na zamaro mo hale tempa chona ngata sho zirkan bo sho chogos o ya tezug mo teno ta samba ngata chik samba tangso tezuga samba tong no dege shiwale hale in English disregarding the principle of cause such as the stick and the like, if I become angry with the one who impels it, then it's better if I hate hatred, because that person is also impelled by hatred. Oh yeah. What this basically means is that, I was just going through one of some of my childhood memories when I was growing up in the monastery, I had a very strict teacher in Tsupema, in Zigurgumpa, and my teacher was, I'm very grateful to him because he taught me how to read, write, he taught me how to perform rituals and how to, he taught me so many things, and he taught me discipline. Now, most of all, I was quite an indisciplined child. I was quite naughty, and he corrected me. Yeah, he corrected me mostly with the help of a very large and big stick. So I used to get beaten almost on a daily basis, and it just reminded me, because when I was young, I used to get angry at my teacher. But then afterwards, when I encountered Bodhicharya Avatara, when I went through the teachings, with the help of a Kempo, when I reached this particular stanza, it literally, opened my mind. Because look, it is saying like, if Santideva was saying like, we should actually get angry at the object, principle of cause, right? Sorry, heavy lunch. We should get angry at the principal cause of our suffering, which is what? Stick, and so on. Rocks, sticks, I don't know, what else, Yeah, so we should get angry at the principal cause of suffering, which is the object that is causing us pain and suffering. Yeah, but then you think like, okay, but how can you get angry at a vajra? How can you get angry at a stick? How can you get angry at a stone? Because that stone is being thrown by a person. That stick is being, waved around, and the stick is being, used by a person. Then you think, okay, and if you use the same logic, then in the same way, you cannot get angry at the person, because that person is also motivated by hatred, in the same way that the sticks and stones are motivated, are motivated by a person. The person is also motivated by anger. So you should get angry at anger, at hatred. But that is foolish. Who will say like the one who impels it, right? Which is also, if you use the same logic, then it is better if I hate hatred, because that person is also impelled. He is also motivated by hatred. That is the meaning of this stanza number 41. You check tontak maltamo yudle. Logic boyali. This logic is very nice. One of my favorite logics. Whenever I used to get beaten by sticks, I used to think of this logic. So it is a very nice logic by Shantideva. Very great teaching. So I ask you guys to especially memorize this stanza, or at least the meaning. Oh yeah. Then stanza number 42. 다긴 흔시 셈실라 셈진라 딘더와이 뇌바 세 대외 셈진 찌지바 달로 뇌반 딘중레. Oh yeah. Then again, if you I think that one mixture language is called. I think it's just called it too much. Da kaltes matane I notpa 용체스포 금산 뭐치 페이지스데 용세노즈나 이 별가 북한이 notpa 이 나타테니 직 인직스는 거 같은 notpa 민다 요하노 동물 민다 요하노 하나 제제 민다 차노 증무 민다 차노 세마 포하노 우즈스포 포하노 마네 할레 손바상 때 notpa sama 치 페이지스노즈나 때 notpa sama 치 페이지스노즈나 테니 이거는 쇼로카나 버집시장이 스페모데 돌레 다기 훈치 셈실라 테니 니 만마즈나 테니 시경만 맞으시스데 노클레 하고 야나 이나시와 쪽시긴도 야나시와 만마 쪽시스데 노타 팔지오지 테니 니 만마 훈치 셈신 군라 딘다와 있노 바세 다사카수가 마 미지가 노파 주룩 텐나 쪽시 노파니 셈신 잘 먹는 주스도 있겨 다기 훈치 셈신라 딘다와 있노 바세 니 이쪽 노파 주스겨 대외 셈신 체제바 달라 뇌반 딘중레 테니 대피야 Tezepia, ni semshan guna notpa chokan jaste, taksa kazu anga mishinga bergatangdu, kazu anga mishinga doatangdu, te notpa chokan be jaste, ngashkiwangan mala, las dumdes kurkan jaste, dala nepa dinjung rek, ma itso notpa yongoshes inok. Chezena shkiwangan mangi dipasak sewekya, shkiwangan mangi taksa kazuwa, nga itso dungal yora, nga notpa yora, te ni semshan janma chigani, itso notpa shkaltewekya, te las dumdes kurti in samse yang positively, mata desukshi nemnyante no gele. Tante o sistema no gele, ki bergazo sistema no gele. Hago gurgusi tu bergazo sistema ya nani lupshor. Ma chunzani yodzani shorsang metpinle. Rukoni gergani churkini dansutpinle. Guboni chunutpinle. Churkini ni tonno yutpinle. Hago churkini na rugu ngana ni rugu panna banji tagring yutpinle. Mitri ni soshutpinle. Tekani chumti churkini pirbe zapatene te gergani mani koran momo hara chosuru hale. Yaju tenema special selsa charpajika matugotpinle. Nidang tenega taatpin, ogoman tenega yabatpin, tene chosang tenega silatpin, lobjong tenega chotpin, charpajika toale. Teniji, oya, tene teta nyalbajene chopa no pale, tulgu nyalbajene chopa zoshinpin. Tene kangpa tapsharjigina go charpaj chapojika hale, charpang puro buzuk butsigi sotapste, izuk shinpor butsigi sotapste ngaiturole. Butsigi sotapste charpeka zawajene krik Kırgızistan, çarpıkal demo jutu sumani çarpamana yom juzu gulet sanguldan zorale. Tene das bejasilon pateniz bejasizan tene gergani. Aldun senin mani kaneli. Sorsamikya. 쇼사까지 영치 쇼사자스 맥결래 뭐나 대전에 많이 그런 쇼사자스 맥게 에점 낙스 지리쳤다 동갈잡이 통시 대전에 되는 길가나 쇼션데 줬빈 대스팅이 준주부 잡자라지나 되니 잡익 삼바 걸바하래 대전이 삼았빈 다지 인치상마다 둘고 이노 제라노 예 되는시와 상부시 미군이 이노 제르도 콤파송테노 되니 유티시가 두칸 쳤테노 미군이 어서 차풀 풀도 가닥 풀도 자규시 부시 부땅도 스토파추루 마나 이zu기 야샤추루 쿠스파추루 와 되니 이zu기 마시케와 상페겠나 아 이zu기 동갈집에 녀스테네 삼성마삼 어렵긴하네. 내가 쇼용스 때 니 컴페나 때좀 shumena 이수식 빈치로 공부 차지 받잖아요. 스쿠당지 빈 되네 나로베 스타일로 막이랑 두번 보치세 되네 구주고니스 로아 히미스 공발라 되네 나로겐 tuk살자는 원진 팀든 조선에 때 나로베 탕가죽 세포지 유빈네. 소 사케미로 직 히로니구나 나스톤선 히로구나 나스톤선 했더니 감지군 도미를 트링 했더니 박완 얘기 어레스 봐서 gemragon이죠 슈크미를 했더니 가라라라라라 했더니 되네 소아테전이 잡아만 보다는 пол레 되네 야레 두슬 되네 게르간엘 동스 되네 마나 경포송 스페셜도 무치스 머슬스 스페셜 실사바 코믹 실테노 tintin comic silteno chacha chaudhary silteno amarchidar kata silteno tenen girgan yonki mala comic por basteno tenen gyuk tangzan gyuk machodon tenen pomani ji ponle tai nashton bora girgan ega tanseno girgan el dumbu girgan sokpo duk samse teo samba matano isholo kana ba jipchu jangis pao iwe samba matano teni yakte guna tangaguna khakyat mille takare gumbu charji geranga yeto choyong juju mana ma lorgatin ne lorgat tuguji hamana ma yeto choyong juju 니 길게는 도요 한 잠비 아니라 라페나 레이 쿠티도 구주 니 길게는 레이 동스 컨솔이 하래 나로 받기나 또 상계세노 만에 거랑 마스톱시 zmi디서 솔라타 받네 그래 드리서 고수 야도 저건 수야 마음슬레 대산이 이슈로게 돈다고 가 하모고는 볼래 지타 tulku 인제나 만에 지나 만나 만망은 마스케와가 많이 디고 saksukerle 다기 훈치 셈첸라 만마 니미지가 셈션군라 딘다와 유니버세 가주가 드링니 길가는 말동도 데나 소싱에 노파지스칼 되경래 대외 셈첸세세바 대외에 셈첸군한 이속 동al 땅간에 자스테 라스 빈디스 쿠르간에 자스테 당로 넷반 딘중직 말이 소스 노파 용고시스 이녹 삼선 노파 잡이 쿠르고선 오즈스노야 이나니 때우제mit기 토링이랑구나 지금 동간전은 고르고서 또 삼바탕고선오기 데닝만 많이 시켜만 말라 이속식 디파삭스이야 그래서 드링가 동알동도 셈신신 먹으니 동마스탄테야 데니테 라즈인베즈 코르테노 템베고랑아 포고시스 인도 삼세 데서 파고무선오 주스테노마니 고행알 동도 그제라 조슬라 마나 드삼고서만래 코코랑 장와 밑에노 베르가 쇼죠노마릭 제자는 베르가 미스쿨테노래 미야 쇼죠노마릭 제자는 가주가 베르가 미스쿨 테나 조슬라 미왕 데네 유즈게 스쿨테노래 제대진 슈스쿨테노래 그래서 쇼소초즈는 쇼소소라이고 조선 수수라이고 제자는 수수되는 것만 미신만 나 knows ma don't talk demo don't talk mal demo ya ju english ni zabi justane oh so I was just sitting mirule 지손지시 oh yeah then I was just going through some of my childhood memories again, you know, because when I was in Sopema, my teacher, you know, when I used to study, I was quite naughty actually. I used to read a lot of Tintin comics, which I used to hide under my pillow, on which my scripture would be, you know. My teacher would tell me, not ask me, tell me to memorize. If I can't give the test properly, then the teacher would beat me with a stick, and I should get angry with the teacher. And that time, I didn't know this stanza, of course, because now, if you look at this stanza, it makes so much sense. Afterwards, when I went through these stanzas with my Kempo, you know, in Zigagumpa, and afterwards in Sonsashita, it made so much sense to me. It answered so many unanswered questions. Yeah, in the past, I too have inflicted such pain on sentient beings, the same pain that I am being inflicted. In Buddhism, we believe in karma. We believe in, that if you commit a wholesome deed, you will experience happiness. And if you commit an unwholesome deed, you will experience suffering. That is the basic rule of karma. Cause and effect, A good cause has a good effect. A negative cause has a negative effect. So I didn't know that back then. I was only 8 years old. So I would blame my teacher. I would blame the stick. I would blame everything on earth. I even had tankas of Mahakala, Naropa, and Manjushri. I used to blame them for not coming out of the tankas to help me. I would, look at the tanka. Tanka is a painting like this. So I would say, like, why are you not coming? In like the Indian movies, when they, when something happens and they go to the temples and then, Bhagwan, ye mere saath kya ho raha hai? Yeah, Joe. So I used to do that. But then at that time, I didn't know, the real cause of my suffering. So I used to think like, why am I suffering so much? I'm just an innocent child. I'm 8 years old, But then if you look at this stanza, it makes so much sense. In the past, I too have inflicted such pain on sentient beings. Maybe on this particular sentient beings or maybe on other sentient beings. Therefore, I, who have caused harm to sentient beings, deserve that in return. Now, the idea is not to sit down if somebody is beating you and to just, say, maybe I did something bad, you should beat me, I deserve it. No. But if you can't escape the pain and suffering, if the pain is already inflicted on you, instead of getting angry and destroying more good karma and committing more bad karma, it is better to, think like this. It is better to have this attitude, to think that I've caused suffering to other sentient beings. And this is just the effect of my past karma. Basically, that's what it's meaning. And it's a beautiful, beautiful stanza, Makes so much sense. Oh yeah. Then stanza number 43. Today I think the connection is not very good. I don't know why. Maybe because of the weather, I guess. In India, we almost blame almost everything on weather. If something doesn't happen, work properly, if there's no electricity, weather. Yeah. If there is, if the shops are closed, weather. Oh yeah. And then if the phone connectivity is not very good, weather. But now we have like this new excuse. And it's a very good excuse because you can't always keep blaming the weather. So what people say, like, server down. That's it. It's a very classical excuse. You hear all over India, server down. Server down. Like, I don't know how, which server, why or how, but server down. Today, technical problem, server down. that has become like an excuse these days. Whatever happens, you can't log onto the internet, server down. You go to office, your work doesn't get done. Maybe the person is eating lunch or something. Server down, come later. Yeah, just after he finishes his lunch, the server miraculously heals itself. It becomes online. So server down. Dans des réseaux pour le tachik, des connexions pour gagner le pas des temps dans ce palais. Des moissons pour gagner le TP mana hésis pas. Des matins chin chana, moissons mécaniques dans tout palais. Live mirugzena o nam korti dugze kan sori mana jazz ma babzena nam da jazz to ko de na ko nam ko na bamyen ting rupa mobile tuna mena zena nam korti no se kan sori mana mosame jaste no se kan sori dan direct yang sumi du pole server down se kan pole server down zena computer tini office ko na ko itkani factory ko na ko itkani computer chimu ko na server zena pole to down son pasam o ju actually ju nga pen ka chi pingo shiras po yan jemera server down koran zara zeshkila no zara chap sarachin ota yong zis posyan rangjini koran server bu rangjini ap chachi shigale te tu pa excuse polte mojik dandere ya ju shloka tene sujipisha sumpa shloka number 43 te yin chen dang dagi lu nika tungal juinte te chen dagi lu sumna kangshilin tor sa tene ta yuyang danta ko kuzuk juste no ta special miji mata tene tumanna mata dumal kwantna bergajik dunkane jaste dojik dunkane jaste tene dumal yongchi ser gyu su kyak mal tenokle koy tankane berga tein chen koy tankane tene chencha koy tankane tene lakcha tsospo oya weapon bo berga tsospo tein chen dang koy chencha dang tene nigi lus tankane berga nang pok chukani lus bo mana dagi lus nika dumal juinte dumal is gyu miskan janokle berga chi boman janokle ber가 나마 유겐도나 수업하고 포함을 봐. 옥점이래. ber가 복지 많은 빨래. 나 준다는 게 그냥 ber가 두선 빨빨이 고메가 잡이 코셔리었잖아요. 고메가 포가 포 되네 타마토 미쳐로 벌레 마포 만나 제가 호시에 용전래 길간에 베르가 이숙 당장 옥저선 이숙 송바할래 미스바타 이숙 줘스바테 송바 집에 가다 복전리 제들이 되는 길간에 좀세 타노파 송바상 존나 베르가 찍고 동말용 경스 많어 많아 마타 루스 찍고 동말용 스 많어 동말용 제시 그 베르강에 놓래 루스에 놓래 대인 최당 다기 루 마타 되네 베르가 땅간에 천차남 마티 루스 미스카 땅간나 포칸 미스카 동말 주인 자노래 미스카 동말 주인데 대인 다기 루쇼나 당신은 좋아서 되네 좋아하지만 별같이 보셔주세요. 티가 많어. 쇼저는 이스가 줬어. 제가 마티 죽스포 유ткане 셨어. 그 별가 당사 유트 놓발래. 대어molte mucho inspeciona o teni kaltes shkewan ma ne ngata kaltes chunru chuste mana chunru chuste ngata teni tarpato te yutbina ngata teni chik changchusen ba satobi changchusen ba soshi gyurtu yutbina teni shisin kurang o 당진 지금 뭔가 다 방식 유트비나 틱사 토칸 조심한 단서 빅 돈모 조시 유트 유트비나 되네 ber가 보는 거 단장 좀요만 그래 상계샤게도 봤더니 장주선 바이즈는 스타몰루진 되네 그런 샤 빡빡스파체 됐다는 거 단장 좀요만 그래 되네 맥야 갈티스는 갈티 뭐니 치쇼뽕 나타나요 그래 맞죠. 제스는 갈티 나타나요. 이 마타인 치디 좀 그런 사체스 죽스 이 죽스보 마타한테니 쿠르테는 벌레. 코르이는 거스케와는 인두스파상 동사 지유테는 그래. 갈티 나타나요 그래. 되는 쇼수어진. 된전 다기 리춘나 되는 코에 천차에 마타 죽스보 폭나 강시간이 좋아서 쇼수어진. 벨가 전에게 죽스보진. 벨가 지고 줘서 마티 죽스보 주고스. 제스는 죽스보면은 벨가 당사 메테는 벌레. 남이시길래 벨가 당스고 보면 벨가 니스 그간하래. 야 대속시는 그래. So stanza number 43. Again, childhood memories. When my teacher used to beat me, not like for no reason. He used to beat me because, of course, I was naughty and I couldn't, pass my test. He would give me one page and I couldn't read properly. And sometimes because, I would read comic books, Tintin in Tibet, Asterix and Obelix, and in Hindi comics. So I would get mixed up with the prayer. So, for example, if I'm doing the Om Je Jema Pamandomala Chansal, basically, all the great liberator Tara, I pay homage to you, Chansadari Yuma Bamo, to the range of Sema. I'm reading that, no? So the teacher is there with the page and he's looking at the page. He's like, okay, read now. Show me your memorization. And I'm reading like Om Je Jema Pamandomala Chansal, Chansadari Yuma Bamo, to the range of Sema. I'm trying to give the test, no? But then because I have been reading Tintin comics, I've been reading other comics and books, science books and so on, computer books and all, so then it will get mixed up. Oh yeah, Tintin in Tibet. What? Yeah, then things would get mixed up, with my comic books and prayers. Then I would get beaten. So I just remembered. So when he beats, yeah, he can beat me. My teacher used to beat me. Or if somebody beats you, if you get beaten because you have a weapon. You have a weapon, both his weapon and my body, that both causes for suffering. He has something to beat, right? He has something to beat. He has an object to beat. The subject is the stick, object is our bodies. So both his weapon, which is the subject, and my body, which is the object of a beating, are causes of suffering, right? Because if you didn't have this body, whom will you beat? Who will suffer? This is also a cause of suffering. The stick is also a cause of suffering. But we always blame the stick or the person who wields the stick. He has obtained a weapon and I have obtained a body, right? Because of my own fault for not practicing, for not being compassionate, for not escaping samsara. I've been being reborn in samsara for so many lifetimes. And I have been, I've been, gaining this human body, being born in this human body, which is also a cause of suffering. So it's also my fault. With what should I be angry? Should you be angry? You can't just be angry at the stick. That is also one cause of suffering. But you should also be angry at your own body, because that is also a cause of suffering. But then again, you go back to the stanza number 41. How can you be angry at a stick? Because the stick is inanimate. okay, the person is wielding the stick, then how can you say the person, how can you be angry at the person? Because the person is being wielded, the person is being, moved, impelled by hatred. So that's it. You should get angry at anger. Anger is not a good thing, yeah. Okay, number 44. Then shuluka number jipshipa. Shua mi zungdawa. Ritu mizu dongalchen. Sedon dagi zungjurna. Tereno basula to. These are such beautiful stanzas. Okay, 다 유즈고는 볼래. 시가 미스가 노샤르래. 슈와 미준다와 슈와 제간 버때네 마탄 죽스파이 슈와 비미로래. 지금 남남 소리 보일세는 볼래. 때네 지금 님부 소리 빙간 또 슈와 제는 박스페즈 모소지 마타 빙미시스데 일터즈르 게래. 등을 마테네 통통시스 미카샤 빙도 버때네 뭐네 그런 주부다는 똑시 주몽신 지르 볼래. 마나 때네 지코 라방 토빙엔지스 뭐라도 좀 통신 지르 그래. 마테 주카시 통시스 지금 루이노 바용 간소리 저스트 인틱도 때네 지금 상람mit kann ich das intik도 eine Suchspatchen 슈와 빈zer 똑시 나스톤티도 볼래. 라파타나 마나 아차차 아라라 마시지라 지르 볼래. 때네 마테 주스포 슈와 미 순다와 마테 미 주스포 슈와 마나 그런 미 용소스 주스포 간서 슈와 빈 간소시 이노 볼래. 만zik 상하다 참 레드미즈 동알chen 이 죽스포 만에 거라 렉즈나 라파툭치스 만 라파툭나 즈드미냐chen 동알chen 죽스포시기 놓보네 자비식 스톡스나 동알 자비식 스콘나 동알 찻바 야르자네 찻바라 군자네 땅모라 만나 오야 만에 거라 참 zumusut 만인 간지 부직 춘직 미기 마통간에 부직이 마테 죽스페나 거잖아 참바용시스 동알 카르지 춘직 마타 딕세멘나 조파샬치스 동알 만나네 그 죽스포만이 거랑 가수가 슈와테네 라파땅 포다 미룩 zumo shanti yondu tena zosangati zuxpong mane kran chang mazutani hale dumashkan ka yondu kan tezushi no paya tewzistana on shwa mizun do redu mizu dongal chen sedon dagi zungjurna telenne basula cho teni io mara shetpe jaste shetpazena mara chaxpe jaste de charge jaste teni matan de khamsena shkesteno miula shkesteno chaxpe jaste attachment jaste dagzini jaste ma zigan patene mata mane kora kya samse kormena koshkewanen kan jaste teni ilus poni zumstykya teni ilus pon no pachozani sosho chunle ona ilus pon nasa kurnyan kan soshi yutpinani kudikteno be kalti mata rayno mata dipashkan kasas pasan I teni shuwa sokso zuspoji toteno ble mana mata gewasagen sangtene burachi jandum chen dugnaning tenestingne sangisha getupa stamulujine chimpa tanzane zumo met pakazu stamugone teni stamujiga sosuran shachate tanska tena tosanga tantene suspochang zumo yamano pale I mata rangaltino zestena mata tene shetpana chaspejaste in kolena go korin duspasang itsosatene shuwa tsosu zuspoji la patang nang mane koran zotmanyan kane dumachene zuspoji zumsukya galti mata rayno teni te onno pachozane sushuchen susuran ka chozestena kalti susura injiste no talung te wanza no kalti mata mepina mata teni su susuga talung ma chozano chipezana kalti mata mepina ko mata dumste te dunkan bon dik pas chizma no pale dumsa jimetpina mata yotkan jaste mata khamazut shkewangon ma last mazut iskevena ko khamazut teni chito minda mindas pas shkewangon ma ko awa mata no pa minda mindas kelpa teni iskevena ko te dasbu sminzane sawan patapsane loto pushkezane ta loto pushkeze madik systematic pale te soshizano paya galti mata na inzano khle jese kani vese parni zermira ya shloka number 44. This is also very nice. Blinded by craving, blinded by attachment. Sepa is craving actually. So blinded by craving and attachment, to this self. Not realizing that this self is devoid of any inherent nature, independent nature. But then we still crave for this self. We attach to this self. We cherish ourselves so much. We wake up in the morning, we brush our teeth, so our teeth look very, beautiful. And so when we smile, it look like, nice, not yellow, but it look white and beautiful, like yellow teeth. Who likes yellow teeth? So you'll be like, yeah. So that's the first thing we do. We crave so much. We have so much attachment to ourselves. We wash our faces, right? We apply different creams, or we pluck our eyebrows, we pluck our eyebrows, eyelashes. I've never done that honestly, but people do that. We shave our mustache, we maintain ourselves. We wash our hair, our clothes, and everything. If somebody looks badly at us, we feel angry because we have so much attachment and craving to ourselves, to our bodies, blinded by craving, and we're literally blinded. I've obtained this boil-like human body. This human body, however beautiful it may appear from the outside, 1%, which is the skin, over looks, right? You don't always see the entire human body. You always see maybe like 1%, which is just the face, and maybe just a little bit of arms and hands, and we get so attached to ourselves, to others. But this human body, the remaining part, 99%, is full of shit. It's full of rubbish. It's full of blood. It's full of pus. It's full of so many impurities, right? We eat something, it becomes into impurity. We drink something, it turns into impurity. We wear something, gradually there will be impurities on it, right? So basically, whatever we touch rots. This human body is so full of rubbish, and it cannot bear pain. It's like a boil. When you have a boil on your body, which I've never had, but I've seen people who have had boils, they say that they experience a great deal of pain even when you touch it. Yeah, you can't even touch it. You can't even touch it. That's how much pain they have. You don't have to punch it, you don't have to poke it, you can't even touch it. And our bodies are very similar, Compared to a boil, it's very similar. A little bit of a stick, tuck on your head. Watch. See, it's painful. But it's not very much, Compared to the mass of my body, compared to the strength of this Vajra, it's nothing, this impact. But it still hurts so much, right? So, we become hungry really fast. We become thirsty really fast. Too much food, suffering. Too little food, suffering. Too much water, suffering. You have to go to toilet all the time. Too little water, dehydration. You will die. Summer, too hot. Winter, too cold. Right? So, what to do? If you sleep too much, you become tired. If you don't sleep too much, you become tired. Right? So, our bodies are so sensitive. And it cannot bear any kind of suffering, discomfort. It is like a boil, which cannot bear to be touched. When there is pain, when somebody inflicts pain on this boil-like body, which is our own fault, that we have accumulated by committing unwholesome deed, I think that's the word, by committing bad karma, and by keeping, circling in this cycle of birth and death. When there is pain, with whom should one be angry? Whom should you be angry against? You shouldn't be angry against the person who is, hitting you, not hitting you with a stick, because it is your own fault. You have a body which should be like an armor, like it's a rock, that no one can harm. No, but our bodies are so sensitive, and because of our craving, because of our attachment, it makes it even more sensitive. It's true, because sometimes I meet many different kinds of people in my beautiful homeland of Ladakh, and when I go to the city, Leh, the people there are so sophisticated, or they have like creams, and the way they talk, the way they kiss each other on the cheeks, when they hug, or when, they're very sensitive and very nice, very sophisticated. And but when they go for camping, when they're out of their elements, they get sick very fast. They can't bear minimal pains, minimal discomforts, lack of luxury, because they're so luxurious, their lifestyles. Not all, but I know some people, and not only Leh, but in the West it's even worse. Then I meet somebody from the village, from faraway village like Changtang or Nubra or Zanskar, and these people are so hardy. We should have bodies like them, A little bit of cold, they don't care. They don't feel cold. Yeah, because they're used to it. There is nothing that doesn't become easy through habituation. They're habituated to it. They're habituated to, resisting pain and suffering and hunger. Their bodies have stopped becoming like a boil and have become more like a boulder. Yeah, so they're so incredibly strong, and compared to somebody who is surrounded by luxury. So it's the same way. We are habituated to this craving, to this idea of I, clinging to the I, and we care so much about ourselves, we forget about others. We're not carefree. we cherish ourselves so much. We think ourselves are so important that we become like boils. We don't become like boulders. Yeah? Then if somebody touches you a little bit, it becomes painful. But with practice, with meditation, with compassion, with loving kindness, with with lots of other good activities, you accumulate good karma. Then you become habituated. Then all these negative things affect you less and less. You have oiled yourself so that the water of suffering does not reside on your body. You have applied the oil, resistant oil, grease of good karma on your body, so that when it rains, the rain of suffering in samsara, it does not stay on your body. It literally just washes away. It doesn't affect you. Maybe a few drops will, seep into your body. Some places where you haven't applied oil. It's a bit like that. But then people who are so self-centered, who are so selfish, who are so full of craving, who are so, attached to themselves, they're like sand, dry sand. When it rains, you can hear them scream from far away. Acha, arara, that does bali. That's a izupa sambigyons paya. Chejuna tas pejana matantini. Chik gasa to kani mitsushi no pa. Tajik gasa lewe to kani mitsushi no ladasita. Gasa toshik lei no le tena tostene. Chigel to kan mashiskani gagar to kan shiskani. Tene gasa de mo chuse to kan chik krimshko kan chik mane kon galdi mino dulkan AC tanse dulkan. Tene mate shosha chokan te amchamana mane kon sosorante izu kauchukan le. Tajik kakchen mo chokan chik self-centered amchamana. Tapik soso chaspa mo pochanbo. Then my boom chimney. Coats a picture pillow, champa come young channel. Coats a picture to pastorna, diamond, caught the east computer on the diamond, qua met commit or out of Mosan, which you cake the Mosoni, qua soldier had it on the diamond, the one met come in coffee, cappuccinos and pogosan, cappuccinos and bon, Zapik is a good kanji katopua, is a sheets of spoiled comes to gosan. Oh, then you call the pig Zumunjiona, Egdom Zumu, the Nico, Shantishan, caught the pig Tamuna, Sansan Daranole. That's what you want to know. C'est un dagi zunjurna. Tene ngata iso kuzuspo ngaza jan zekan bo mane chaspa chemu ikane jaste. Tene zuspo shua mi zunlawa azekane shua tso zuspo ngata zumse porte noble. Tate tso shi manpa gaoni yunkan mi jigindo. Mana le dosine tene ngata tagren yunkan gaoni yunkan mi shante mi zampo mi yarap hale mi shante no pole. Tegun tso shi na mane charba zapik tana jang sto mana. Kha zapik tana jang sto mana pole. Zapik pona tagji bine zana pole. Laksa porta no pole. Sajik shkustan, talbaji shkustan, der shante no pole. Tot pas avistane, jang me kerzi mane kono kolagji zoste, babaji zoste, tena tso janta, ta iskam pik zoste dulta no pole. Tena shante sonte no pa. Tena tsosla, gewa sang dugna, ata gewe las chuen dugna, tena ngata shante viro no le. Shante viro no. Tena stigma ngata sangi shake be. O Stambul lujinna, jibatan kan tsosla ngata tena zumu yama no le. Agua, tena zuspo numshku kan tsosra ngani, marnashku kan tsosra. Marnak mane to gris, marnashku syo charbatan zane numbu zuspe ga jarma no pole. Chokto jika numbu tyotna, numbu styotna, tega chulu samiru pa. Chokto zukyo na chucha pucha miru. Ta susu rang, tena shetpa chuen, chuen tikpa chuen, chuen rang nga zirindo rangdo chinmo gan guna. Tena mane pema sos kyotna, pema skampo sos. Tena koga dungare charpa leba chine, timsa no pole. Tena dunga shantiwa no pole. Mi khashiga spera chunjiki ekdam pwa miru. Shua mi zundawa. Mi khashiga spera mani tsam chilmo zane, zeno pole. Tena no. Oh yeah. So, 대숙식인 주 되네 닥세 그냥 간타치 차기도 되네 가다 주죠. 드링 상수 실전이래. Today it's almost 1 hour. So I will stop the recording, not the recording actually, it's the live stream. So I will stop the live stream and we will do prayers. We will start with refuge, then we will do the king of aspiration prayers, and then eventually at the end we will do dedication of merit. Then I go manamshik chik silin, then I tanchik or zamshu chik silin, then in Jupega, Shomajik silin, those put some kituk me is just an off just an loxy on june,